In last week's video, I showed you guys how to use these exotic fruits, which are called Guineps here in Jamaica, to make this very delicious drink. Today, we'll be sharing more about Guineps.
Stay tuned. Welcome to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. So today we're going to be harvesting Jamaican Guineps, and we're going to be showing you how to eat Guineps, and I will be sharing the health benefits of Guineps as well as the nutritive value. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Jamaican Guineps are small, round fruits that bear resemblance to lychee. They grow in bunches on this tree, which is called a Guinep tree in Jamaica. The skin of Guinep is smooth and green, and on the inside of the skin is a peach-colored, jelly-like fruit which has one big hard seed with a thin layer of flesh. The fruit is stany and it can be very sweet or tangy in taste. In Jamaica, Guineps are seasonal and they tend to bear during the months of July to October. The scientific name for Jamaican Guinep is Melicoccus bijugatus, and depending on the region, it has different common names. For example, in Cuba, it is called mamosillo. In Barbados, it is called ackee. In Puerto Rico, it is called quenepa. In the Dominican Republic, it is called limoncillo. In Martinique and Guadeloupe, it is called cunette. In Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao, it is called kenepa. In Grenada, it is called skinup. And in other territories, it is familiarly known as Spanish lime, among other names. Jamaican Guinep is native to the northern parts of South America, but it can be found growing in other tropical regions. And it is believed to have been brought to Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean in pre-Columbian times from Suriname. In Jamaica, Guinep is mostly had raw, but in other parts of the world, people also process the fruit to make other things, such as desserts, jams, beverages, and sauces. They also cook the seeds and consume them. The seeds are also used in other cultures to make flour. And the leaves of the Guinep tree can also be used to make tea. Jamaican Guineps have an appreciable quantity of vitamins A as well as vitamin C. And these vitamins are needed to help us with building our immune systems. The presence of vitamin D in Guineps makes them a great choice for helping our bodies to maintain proper bone structure as well. Guineps contain fiber, and we need fiber to help us to prevent constipation and for bowel health in general. In terms of minerals, Guineps contain calcium, phosphorus, as well as iron. We need calcium to maintain strong bones and teeth and for proper functioning of our nerves as well as muscle tissues. Phosphorus is needed by our bodies to help with building strong, healthy bones. Phosphorus also plays an important role in how our bodies use carbohydrates and fats, and to make protein for growth, maintenance, and repair of our cells as well as our tissues. And iron is needed for blood production and for growth and development. Guineps also contain some things called phenolic compounds, and these are important because they can help to prevent cardiovascular disease as well as strokes. Guineps also contain tryptophan, which helps with the production of serotonin, and we need serotonin to help us to sleep well and to help us achieve that feel-good feeling. For persons who are watching their weight, Guineps are a great choice because they only contain 58 calories per serving, and because of the presence of amino acids, Guineps can help to lower blood sugar levels, and there are even more health benefits as well. In order to eat a Guinep, some people will use their teeth to bite into the skin of the Guinep, and then they will slip the fruit into their mouths and then throw away the skin. Then they will suck the flesh of the Guinep away from the seed before spitting it out. There are some people who prefer to use their fingers to break open the skin of the Guinep instead of using their mouths. It is possible to choke on a Guinep, so one should exercise great care when eating it. For younger children, it is best that they first use their teeth to crack the fruit open while it's in its skin and then place it into their mouth. Then they can suck on the flesh away from the cracked seed and then spit out the seed afterwards.